If you want to learn how to make money on Temu, make sure you watch this video to the end. A lot of you have been asking for a tutorial, so I'm going to show you in this video. So first thing you want to do is click on you and go to win reward. Once you're here, you can see all these free gifts and earn credits or money. But before this video, I'm showing you guys how to make easy money with Temu. First thing you want to do is click farmland and click get now. Wait for it to load and now click X. Temu is going to give you a personal referral code, and once you have the referral code, you just have to send it to your friends or family. So click on referral water, click invite more friends, and click copy code or link if you want. And essentially when they click it, you get money. So all you have to do is just paste it in and just delete this and just copy this code and delete the rest. Now once they click your link, it's gonna pop up a water thing for your farmland, because essentially we clicked farmland, and once they click it, you'll be able to earn money. I hope this video helps.